Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we will check out another quick cooking meal option, the broken wheat upma or the Dalia Upma. Make this nutritious by loading it up with veggies of your own choice. This recipe gives portion sizes for 4 people. In a vessel, take 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now add veggies of your choice. I am adding 1/4 cup of corn and 1/4 cup of peas. You can add carrots also. Now add a little salt to this water and let it simmer on the sides. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to splutter. Add some cumin seeds or jeera and allow them to splutter. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Now add 1 teaspoon of split black gram or urad dal and fry it golden brown. Add 2 to 6 green chilies chopped as per your spice levels. Now add 12 to 15 curry leaves and saute them. Grate 1 inch of ginger and add to the oil and fry till the ginger loses its raw smell. Now add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, 10 to 15 kajus or cashews and 10 to 15 raisins and fry them golden brown. All these are optional but highly recommended. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute it till it softens. You can add some salt and water to soften the onion faster. Add 1 large tomato finely chopped and mix well. Now add 1.5 cup of daliya or broken wheat. Add some salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now mix well so that the daliya or the broken wheat is coated with oil. Now add 1/4 cup of yogurt to it and mix well so that it gets evenly distributed. Now the simmering water must have cooked the veggies. Let us check. You can see that the veggies are paraboiled. Now add the water to this mix along with the veggies. For each cup of broken wheat, add 2 cups of water. This is the ratio that cooks the daliya perfect. Now mix properly and cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes. Uncover and you will see that the daliya is slightly semi-cooked. Now if you want to add some broccoli, you can add it at this stage. If you add it at the earlier stage, it will become overcooked and lose its color. Mix it nicely and cook covered for another 2 to 3 minutes. Uncover and you will see that the broccoli softens slightly but still remains firm. Also, it doesn't lose its color. Add some freshly grated coconut, it definitely enhances the taste. And garnish it with coriander. Now your Dalia Upma or broken wheat upma is ready. So plate it. You can add a dash of lime juice and some more coriander. Serve it hot with some mango pickle or mixed veg pickle. Let us take a recap. The ingredients for the recipe are displayed here. A complete list of written, downloadable and printable instructions are mentioned in our blog at www.thefoodmonologues.com. Do visit our site for more interesting and delicious recipes. A link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, share with friends and family and give the video a like. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.